So let's have a discussion regarding the question. And what is the question? That in an AP, the first term is 2. Now, whenever we are talking about the AP, it means we are talking about the arithmetic progression, right? First term is 2 means A. We are taking in AP first term as A or A1, which is 2 here. This is given. First of sum of the first 5 terms. So first 5 terms sum, which we can take it as SA. Let's the sum of first 5 term is SA, which is equals to 1/4 of the next 5 terms sum, right? Which is equals to the sum of next 5 terms. So next 5 term we will take as SP. Okay, so this is also given to you. Now we have to show that 20th term is -112. This we have to show. So we know the general formula for the sum. So let's talk it. A20 we have to show that is equals to -112, right? Now please understand the question very carefully, because the question is not as simple as you are thinking. There is some little thing that you have to make sure about that. We have the general sum formula. Suppose we have n terms, right? So we have the general sum formula, that is Sn is equals to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 times t. 2a means 2 multiply a plus n minus 1 times t. If we have to find out the sum of the 20th term, 20 terms, then n is equals to 20. If we have to find out the sum of first 5 terms, so n will be 5, like that. Now first we will talk about the sum of first 5 terms. So let's focus on SA. So we are talking about the first 5 terms. So n is 5 only. So you can put S5 here. Okay. Or A you want to put A only. So I'm putting it as A, or you can take S5. Why I'm taking it as A? Because when we are talking about the SB, that is also the sum of the next 5 terms. So if you want to take as S dash of 5, so you can take that also. I'm taking SA. Now I'm putting everything in this formula. This is a general formula for the first 5 terms. So 5 over 2, 2 multiply A, which is 2, plus n is what? 5 again, and D we don't know. So when we will solve it, this will be 4 plus 4D. I am taking 4 common from the bracket. So I'm taking it outside, and inside what we left with 1 here and D here. So 2 times 2 is 4. Now it will be 10 of 1 plus D. So this is the sum of the first 5 terms. First 5 terms we are talking about. When we will take the sum of the next 5 terms, means we have to take the sum of 6th term, 7th term, 8th term, 9th term, and 10th term. Now the A will not be the same, because when we are talking about the 6th term, 7th term, so A will be the 6th term. The first term of that sequence is the 6th term. So we don't know A here, right? So for SP, we can't find out because we don't know A here also, and we don't know D. We know the N, that is 5 only. So what we will do, everyone, to find out the next sum of the next 5 terms, first we will find out the sum of the all total 10 terms, right? First 5 and the last 5, that will be S10, that is equals to 10 over 2. Because when we will find the sum of the first 10 terms, the A will be the same, that is 2. 10 minus 1 times D, we don't know. So when we will solve it, it will be 4 plus 9D. Okay, so this is 20 plus 45D. This is the sum of the first 10 terms. So when you will subtract S10 minus SA, means from the total sum of the first 10 terms, you will subtract the first 5 terms sum, you will get the sum of the next 5 terms, right? SB you will get. So what is S10? That is 20 plus 45D. Okay, and what is SA? That is 10 of 1 plus D is equals to SB. So let's open it. So 20 plus 45D minus 10 minus 10D, that is equals to SB. So 20 minus 10 is what? 10. And 45 minus 10D is what? 35D. So this is the sum of the next 5 terms. Okay, so this is SB. Now let's put SA and SB in the general that we have given part. Okay, so let's do that. Now it's very simple. So you have to focus that what the question is asking from us. So let's put in this. So what is SA? 10 of 1 plus D. That is equals to 1 over 4. And SB is what? 10 plus 35D. Now 4 is in the division here. Let's go to the left hand side and it will change to multiply. So 10 multiply 4 is 40. 1 plus D, that is equals to 10 plus 35D. So let me open the bracket. So it will be 40, 10 goes to here. So it will become 40 minus 10, that is 30. And 40D goes to the right hand side. So 35D minus 40D, which is minus 5. So D is equals to minus 6. Okay. Now we have D. Now we have A. Now let's talk about the 20th term. So whenever we have to find any term, we have the general nth term formula, which is A plus N minus 1 times D. Now we have A, and we are talking about a 20th term. We have N because we are talking about the 20th term, and times D, which is 6. So 2 times 19 multiply minus 6. So 2 times 19 multiply minus 6 is how much? Minus 114. Oh, sorry, this is plus. Okay. So when you open the bracket, it will be 2 minus 140, not 144, 114 it is, right? So 114 minus 2 is what? Minus 112. So a 20th term is minus 112. Now what you have to focus in this question, that first you will find out the sum of first 10 terms. Then you will find out the sum of first 5 terms, subtract them. So you will get the sum of the next 5 terms, right? That is very, very important. So yes, thank you everyone. Thank you so much.